a handful of institutions today. Very basic 3D printing that is available are being used, but then with this becoming a more important technology in order to give students a more hands-on learning experience, we definitely expect this to take up going forward. Apart from that, virtual reality classrooms. So we are talking about classrooms where there could be a teacher remotely, there could be distance learning with students, but then the level of interactivity with the faculty will not be hampered at all, because it is very real. It's real time. It's like FaceTime, where you have the teacher, you have the students. The teacher is able to take one-on-one questions, is able to address and look at each and every student. And in fact, it could even be more interactive than what we are used to within the traditional teaching methods. Also, there is going to be increasing amount of content, which is e-content. So we are quickly, with digitization initiatives across the region, we are quickly moving away from having hard copies of textbooks and so on, and more content is going to be e-content and accessible through your devices, like your personal computing devices like laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. I already talked about the third platform in terms of cloud, so we will see an increased usage of both public, private and hybrid clouds. We will see more and more social media applications and platforms specifically developed and customized for the education sector. We will see mobility also moving in a new direction with wearables. So up till now we have seen things like just laptops, tablets and smartphones, but then soon we will have wearables like smartwatches, Google Glasses, fitness apps and so on for the education segment. So the mobility is going to now stretch to wearables as well, so the next level of mobility. And big data analytics. So the education segment, and with all the research that happens within the universities, there is a big scope for the usage of big data and analytics as a key tool within the education segment. The research data that is conducted within universities and schools can be taken into a totally new direction, and have a lot of innovation behind this as well, using big data platforms.